Okay, go.
Hi, I'm Noah, and I'm just going to do a little bike check for you today. Start off at the top. I have Animal Edwin grips. They're nice grips. You know, they're soft. My bars are Fit S&M bars. I got the bars from a friend of mine, and the grips came on them, so I guess that's good. This is just a stock stem I started out with. It hasn't slipped or anything, so it looks alright, I guess. Flipped it upside down, raises the bars a little bit. No bar ends. I see you. There you go. Fit Yushin forks. They're good forks, I guess. I got a Fit FAF 2.30 in the front. It's a tame wall, as you can see. I got stock rim and stock hub, and just regular pegs. Got them off a friend. This is my Shadow Conspiracy seat with a post. It's light. You know, it's a bit thicker, so it's like you can pinch it.
Mom.
Nancy's not thick. I got Odyssey Twisted PCs in clear. They're good pedals. Okay, what's so fucking funny? Man, what the fuck? Fucking dick. Yeah, I'll just turn around. I got Mission Transit cranks. The spindle's bent on them right now, so they're really shitty. I need new ones. I got a Sunday Sabertooth sprocket, just in black, because black's cool. I just got regular chain KMC, kind of loose. Looks like Kyle's mom.
Yeah, she had 2 kids. Good job.
Doesn't mean she lives.
That literally means she lives.
She'll tighten up. I got another stock peg on the back. I got an Odyssey path tire in the back. They're not very good tires, don't get it.
I like them.
For it. I got an Alienation 440 rim. It's a nice rim, it's strong. It's missing a spoke though. Where is it? Right here. It's right here. What are you doing? Yeah, right here. Laced to a Fit Flow hub. It's pretty loud, I guess. It's just regular. Yeah, so that's my bike. I hope you liked it.
Do a trick.
Why do I have to do a trick right now?
Because you should do a trick.
What should I do?
Do a full cab on the road.
I'm not gonna be able to do it.
Whatever.
I'll do 180.
No, try full cab with it.
Here's a little trick for you. Hope you like my bike check. Comment.